Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Uh, Today we're supposed to start the application of the trigonometry. Some word problems are here. Before starting the word problems, trigonometrical ratios we already have done. But here we're supposed to revise the angle of elevation and the angle of depression. In this figure, we have the normal or the horizontal line, and when you're supposed to see the upwards, the angle of elevation is the aeroplane. When you're supposed to see the aeroplane, the angle of elevation is there, and from the normal or horizontal line, when you're supposed to write the downwards, then the angle of depression is here. Okay, now we're supposed to start our exercise 10G, exercise book 3, exercise 10G and book D3. Question number 1 is here. From the top of the lighthouse, 52 meters high, the angle of depression of the two ships due to west of it are the 42 degrees and 37 degrees. How far apart the two ships? Okay, let's see. Here we have a lighthouse, and the height of the lighthouse is given, which one is the 52 meters. And here we have two ships. Let's say we have the ship A, and then the other one is ship B. Okay, the angles given, for the ship B is 37 degree, and then the ship A is the 42 degree. We can name it, or at the point D is 42 degree, and at the point B is a 37 degree, because there are two ships. As you near the 90 degree, your angle will be greater. Means the 37, then you move to the 90 degrees, your angle must be greater than. Okay, here 42 degrees here. We're supposed to find the distance between two ships, means here from B to D. These 2 points where two ships are here. Okay, we're supposed to start here, or we can solve it with the help of the trigonometrical ratios. Here we have two angles, and the one common height is here, that is 52 degree, 52 meter, and other angle we have the 37, and then the same height over there. Our thinking process is here. If we supposed to find the total BC, B to C, means K from this point to ship to this one. Okay, then we can find easily from D to C, from this point to this point here. And when we subtract DC from the total BC, we get BD, which is our required answer. To find BC, we have here one is opposite side, and then we have the adjacent. And opposite and adjacent, we use tan theta. Okay, for the total we have here the tan 37, and tan 37 we have the opposite is 52, and then adjacent is BC. Similarly here, when we supposed to trade it with tan 37 to BC, BC equals to 52 over tan 37 degrees here. BC, when we supposed to find tan 37, it gives us tan 37 It gives us 0.75355. Okay, we're supposed to round it up to four decimal places, 0.75 and 36. When we're supposed to divide 52 by 0.7536, we get the answer, that is 69 meter. Means total length or the distance from B to C, or this ship to B to C, is 69 meter. Total distance here. This one is the B point, and this is the C point is here. Sorry. Okay. Now we can find, if we supposed to find the DC, then we subtract DC from BC to get here BD. Let's see. Okay. With the help of the tan 42, we have opposite 52, and then the adjacent DC, we supposed to trade again with the tan 42, and then DC equals to 52 by tan 42. When we supposed to solve it, or 52 divided by 57.76, sorry, divided by tan 42, we get the answer, which is DC is 57.76. And now BD equals to, basically PD equals to BC minus DC. Means here total is the BC. Let's say we're supposed to write over here. Okay. BD is equals to BC minus DC. And here we have BC is 69. Okay. Here, I think so. If we put over here. Okay. We have BC, that is 69, and DC is 57.76. When we're supposed to subtract, we get the answer BD, that is 11.24, and this was the our answer, means the distance between two ships B and D. You can make your diagram very easily. Let's say we have, okay, let's say you're supposed to, okay, here means then let's say one point is here, then you're supposed to, let's say one point is here, and then you have another ship, sorry, this one. Here you have a 90-degree angle, and then you can draw it and then solve it. Okay. Let's see, another question is here. Question number 2, the angle of elevation of the top of a vertical cliff as seen from the boat 120 meter away is 32 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of the flagpole at the edge of the cliff, as seen from the boat, is 37 degrees. Find the height of the flagpole. You're supposed to find this height one. This one, the height. That is the flagpole. Here, flag is here. Okay. And this is the cliff. Edge of the cliff. Height of the cliff is here. And this one is the boat. Boat from here, if the observe, then one angle, which one is 32, means here red 32, sorry, uh, it seems to be 32 here. This one, this angle is 32, and then the total angle is, this one is 37. We're supposed to find AD, or the length of height of the flagpole. This one from A to D. Okay, we have adjacent and we have angles of the 32 and then the 37, the same as the previous question. First of all, we can find AC with the help of the tangent theta, and then DC. Again, we use the tangent theta, but DC we have when we're supposed to use the triangle. Let's say BCD, we use the angle that is tan 32, and when we're supposed to find the AC with the help of mean square triangle ACB, then we're supposed to use tan 37, and we subtract DC from AC to get AD, which is the height of the flagpole. I already have calculated the values. All simple logic is here, which we supposed to use the trigonometrical ratios, and the other work simply you supposed to uh, find tan 37 with the help of a calculator, and then multiply by 120. We get AC, that 90.43, which one is the total height of from bottom to the edge of the, sorry, from the bottom to the end of the flagpole. Then the point D, there is edge of a cliff. Another angle is there. We can find, okay. With the help of the tan 32, we're supposed to find the DC. And the DC we get here 74.98. From A to C is 90.43. And from D to C is 74.98. Okay, the final answer we have the height of the flagpole AC minus DC, 90.43 minus 74.98, the 15.44 meter is the height of the flagpole. Okay, we have another question. Question number 3 of the same exercise. That is, H is a point. H is a point on the ground due east of a building of the 72-meter high. And K is a point due west of the building. We have a building basically. Then the angles of the elevation I highlight the, okay, angles of the elevation of the building from H and K are from H and K are 43 degrees and 54 degrees. Means कि from H is 43 degree and from K is 54 degree respectively. Means, okay, as H first, the first angle, then the K, and then the second angle. Find the actual distance of H and K from the top of the building. Okay, these some points we supposed to height is 72, one point is K, one point is H. Okay, here we have a building. Okay, without building, let's say here without building, we can draw it with the point A, B is a building, then point H is here, then point K is there. We're supposed to find one value is from A to K and then from A to H. Simply we have the height, which is the common height, and the vertical line is there, and we use here the trigonometrical ratios to find the height of the building. Let's see the height of the building. Okay, here we have hypotenuse. Supposed to find hypotenuse, and then opposite is given. So opposite we supposed to use opposite, two sides opposite, and uh, the hypotenuse, that is sine theta, sine 43, 72 over, sorry, this is not the BH, this is the AH. We're supposed to change uh, B is to AH. Basically here we're supposed to find AH, which one is the distance from top of the building to the point H. Okay, uh, here we again sine 43 equals to 72 over AH. We trade the values here, 72 upon sine 43, H equals to 72 upon sine 43 is 68199, and then AH, sorry, again one more. Okay, H equals to 105.57. Then we're supposed to find from the point K. Same here, we use the sine 54 because opposite is here given, and then we're supposed to find the hypotenuse. And if you remember, sine theta is sine opposite over hypotenuse. So, and for the tan theta is opposite over, yeah, adjacent. And for the cos theta, we have adjacent over hypotenuse. So K to be specific. By using the sine theta here, KB equals to 72 upon sine 54, and sine 54 we get here 0 point sine 54 sine we get 0.8090. I'm supposed to take the 4 decimal places values, and when we're supposed to divide it, we get KB is 88.99, or we can say it 89 meter. This is the height, sorry, the distance from A to K is 89, and the distance from A to H, which is we find 105 degree. Thank you so much. Allah bless you.